Hi, this is Josie from Minerva, and in today's video I'll be showcasing the Adrienne Blouse from the Friday Pattern Company. It's a well-loved pattern and is drafted for knit fabrics, and it comes in a wide range of sizes. It is drafted for sizes extra small to 4X, and it's suitable for a number of various weights of fabrics as long as they are jersey and stretch fabrics, because it comes with no closures. So it's important that it's a stretchy fabric you can pull over your body. And the most selling point of this pattern is the billowy statement sleeve. As you may tell, I'm wearing that exact pattern because it's well loved. I had to make myself one of them. This pattern comes in both PDF and paper patterns, and you can buy your paper patterns from our website here at Minerva. And the paper pattern comes with 3 pieces. You've got the sleeve, which is quite big to create a billowy sleeve pattern. The statement sleeve is quite a bulky one. And the one adjustment that the pattern gives you to do, you can either reduce the fullness of the sleeve, which I did on my variation. I took out 2 inches. The sleeve is cut on the fold, as you may tell, and you have a lengthening and shortening line, which allows for you to either take out some amount. And yes, I reduced the fullness of mine. It was supposed to be bulkier than this. And I took out one inch because it's cut on the fold. So by taking out 1 inch on the sleeve pattern, I managed to take out a full 2 inches from the entire sleeve, which is really good. Another alteration I made to mine, the pattern gives you the recommended size of elastic to use around the hem of the sleeve. But I found that with that, the elastic ends up being big around the arm area, which doesn't give you the billowy sleeve that we are all after when we go for this pattern. So what I did with mine, I measured around my arm area and I cut that exact size of elastic, which gives me a more fitted sleeve, which I can either pull above my elbow and you still have that full effect that it gives. And this pattern has also been hacked into a dress by cutting it around your natural waistline and adding a gathered skirt or a tied gathered skirt, which creates another dress. So this gives you a lot of options, not just a blouse. You can make it many variations. I made my blouse out of the cotton jazzy fabric by Art Gallery Fabrics. However, it's quite low in stock, but you can always find a number of other fabrics to use on our website. And I'm going to show you a number of other fabrics you can use for this blouse, the Adrienne Blouse, ranging from viscose fabrics, some bamboo fabrics, and also some velvety fabrics if you want to turn it into an evening top to wear it out and make it more glamorous. And I think the options are limitless. You can choose a number of fabrics to showcase this beautiful blouse because it's quite fitted, so it will give you the nice look you want to either dress it down or dress it up. So I'll show you starting with this. This is a cotton jazzy fabric we have in stock on our website, and it's in an orange color with some star detailing. It's quite drapey, so it will give you a good stable blouse that can hold the shape of the billowy sleeves that you're looking for, and it will work well for summer sewing because of the bright colors, definitely, and also it's breathable because it's a cotton fabric. And the second fabric I would like to show you is this denim jazzy fabric, and this is a bamboo cotton blend fabric. It has a composition of 68% bamboo and about 28% cotton. Then some elastin, so it's quite drapey compared to the cotton jazzy. It has more drape, and this comes in a number of different colorways that you can find on our website if you choose to use the bamboo, because bamboo has its additional properties that are antibacterial. So compared to cotton, it also sews up well. It's a breathable fabric, perfect for summer sewing, and of course for the Adrienne blouse. And I'll show you other fabrics I have, and I'm going to show you a selection of a few Viscos Jazzies that we have on our website. And this is also a Minerva range, Viscos Jazzy fabric. And what I know about it, if it might not give you a full-blown billowy sleeve as this, because it's a viscose, it will be more drapey, so makes it easy actually to wear a jumper over it, because I find that I only pull out this top when the sun is out and I don't have to put a tiny or a small jacket or jumper or cardi over it. because I find that with the cotton jersey sometimes it's quite bulky, it's squeezed under a jumper and it doesn't bulge. And if that might be of an inconvenience to you, I would recommend viscose jerseys, because viscose jerseys are quite more drapey and they wouldn't be as bulky as this. But I believe if you choose to also go with your personal measurements for the elastic, you'll be able to get this billowy sleeve. Otherwise, with viscose jersey being quite a drapey fabric, if you use the pattern recommendations for the elastic, you're most likely to have it drop in that effect without giving you the billowy sleeve, unless that's not what you're after with this pattern. And this is a gorgeous blue with some pink viscose jersey fabrics, also from the Minerva fabrics. And I have another viscose jersey fabric to show you, and this has the browns, the orange rusty, quite colorful. I believe this is a kind you can wear from summer into autumn, and I think also spring, because it's bright enough, so you can wear it for a longer time during the year. Fall, and it's as drapey as the first one I've shown you. And this also, you would treat it the same way you treat this first viscose jersey I've shown you. It's quite drapey, so it will give you a billowy sleeve, but with a more fitted elastic, you'll be able to get the billowy effect from it. And this is a good, gorgeous fabric, which you can also find on our website. And then the final fabric I want to show you today is a velvety fabric. If you're after an evening top to wear for drinks or to wear out or dress up, I would go with velvet. And this comes in a number of different colorways which you can choose from to make another variation of the Adrienne Blouse. I believe the choices are limitless when it comes to the Adrienne Blouse and the fabrics stocked on our website. I would recommend that you head over to the website and look at the various fabrics we have, neat fabrics that can be used for the Adrienne Blouse. And you could go ahead and sign up for the Minerva account. It's free to sign up for one, and with that you will be able to share your makes using the fabrics that we stock on our website. And also, if you come across a fabric that you love, you can save it among your favorites. And also you can follow various makers and Minerva creators over on our website. And if you've made this pattern before, please leave a comment below of which fabrics you've used for your variations. And also, if you've not made the pattern before, is this a pattern you would want to make in the near future? It's a well-loved one. Many people have worn it with jeans. I'll try to show you a short clip of me of how I love to pair it with my favorite black pair of jeans. And I love that although it's also black on a black pair of jeans, the colors in the blouse make it stand out, and it doesn't take away from the brilliant top that it is. Thank you for watching.